Welcome to Copycat AI training videos. In this tutorial we are going to show how to clone a page in Copycat AI. Go to the left menu and click on Page Cloner. Here you can turn a proven page structure into an original, high-converting page for the same audience. Just click on Clone your first page. Just add source URL. Your rebrand inputs like your brand name and logo. And your brand description. And your page will be cloned. You can view your created ad in Cloned Ad section. Here you can manage, filter, and preview your cloned landing pages from one dashboard. You can view your cloned page. Edit your cloned page with our exclusive editor. Change or replace any image with drag and drop method. Add links to your page. Add or edit text. Your generated cloned page is fully responsive on desktop, tablets, and mobile devices. Change color of text and background. Export code of your generated clone page. Once you are done, click on Save Page and your page will be saved. View it. Share it. Download and delete it. Thanks for watching the video.